Hi, this is Tino and welcome to our nail art structure lesson. So today, I am going to show you how to use liquid chrome because a lot of people have liquid chrome, but not many know how to use it properly. So I am going to show you the way, and everything that we use is available on www.tinovo.shop. Now, let's get ready for the lesson. So today we are going to learn how to apply liquid chrome. And I have 5 different colors. This is color number 1. And of course, this nail is on a nude background. This nail is on a white background. And this nail is on a black background. And this is my number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. So I will show you how to do these, and this is a color chart that I have ranging from nude background, 5 colors, from black background, and from white background. Now number 6 a little different. I also have that too, but it's not see-through. 1 through 5 is see-through and 6 is solid. So the color that I will be demonstrating will be number 1. So now I have with me a nails. I have black and white just to show you that the chrome will be different depending on the background because this is a see-through chrome. And first, you need to apply sanded because sanded is a no wipe top coat. So when you apply liquid chrome, it's important for you to apply on a no wipe background so your chrome will be nice and smooth. You're gonna keep this for 60 seconds. And I will put this back here. Now, I will take this out. You wanna shake it well before you use. And the rule is you apply on top of it when it's wet. And you're gonna take your fingers. You can have glove or without glove, but you cannot use anything else other than your fingers because this chrome are very unusual. And for normal chrome, when you apply, you use either an eyeshadow applicators or a sponge or a silicone tool, but you cannot use these with liquid chrome because it will not be effective. So I am gonna use my finger with gloves and I am going to apply on the surface and I'm gonna start rubbing it when it's wet. And while I'm rubbing it gently, it will start to get drier and drier. And when it does, when it's completely dry, people mistake it that they stop rubbing it. So when it's dry, I still want you to rub it until it gets shiny. And what happens is when you rub it, all the excess glue is gonna come up shredding like dead skin, and it will leave you with a nice and shiny surface. So I am going to apply this on like this. Now you start rubbing it, but gently, because it's still wet. Rub all over the nail from left to right. Don't just stay in one spot. And you wait until it's dry. And I will zoom in so you can see better. But you wait until it's dry. And now it's dry. Don't stop rubbing it. You keep rubbing it. Keep rubbing it. And if it gets too dry, you can increase your pressure. But you see, keep rubbing it. Keep rubbing. There you go. There you go. See that? So people mistake it that they stop rubbing it. Because if you keep rubbing it, it'll be so nice and shiny. And when you rub it, you rub from left to right all over. Make sure it's covered all over. But that is people's mistake, is when it get dry, they stop. Or also another mistake is when you apply, they wait for it to dry. You don't wait for it to dry, you rub immediately. And when it's dry, you keep rubbing and rubbing, and then it will become shiny for you. So that is a trick on using liquid chrome. And so the application is a little tricky, but the reward is that liquid chrome have glue in it. it have liquid glue in it that will keep your chrome from chipping. So this is very beneficial if you have problem with chrome chipping. This will do you nicely. The second thing is there's no dust. Usually I have to dust, excess dust away with normal chrome. This have no dust. So I can just apply on the surface like this. It will be completely dust free. Cure for 60 seconds, and that is how you use liquid chrome. So now I am going to go through and apply 5 different colors for you. 5 other colors that I have. This is number 1. So I am gonna use shadow. Since shadow is a black gel that doesn't need any top coat. So I usually apply chrome directly onto shadow when I use chrome. So I apply shadow and cure. And I am going to take out liquid chrome number 2. And I'm gonna apply this on. See, it's already dry. Let's take out number 2. Remember to shake it well. Then apply it on. Ooh, these are deep coral colors. Now, you're gonna take the finger again and gently rub it. Remember, gently rub it. It's still wet, so you just rub it gently. And you can feel when it starts getting dry because it will be difficult for you to rub it when it's drier. So at that point, you can increase your pressure. You might go a little faster. Now it's starting to dry. Let me zoom in. It's starting to dry, so keep rubbing it. Now it's completely dry. This is when you cannot stop. Keep rubbing it. See? Very shiny. Just like that. Now, this is way different than this. This is like a golden colors. As you can see, this is like a coral color. This is number 2. This is number 1. Okay, one is gold, one is coral. Now I am gonna pick out another colors for you. I am using number 3. So this is number 3. Let me go ahead and put this back. 1 and 2. And then now take out 3. Remember to shake it. Apply. Then go ahead and start rubbing gently, very gently. Now wait for it to dry. Apply all over from left to right, from top to bottom. Don't leave out anything. Now it starts to dry. Keep rubbing it. See, it's start getting shiny. So that is a trick when it comes to liquid chrome. So this is like a purple colors, like a periwinkle purple. It's very nice. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here, down here. And I will go ahead and close this. And I am using number 4. This is my favorite colors. This is a blue one. I am going to apply on top of here. Oh, look at that. It's already pretty. My favorite is number 4. Rub it on when it's wet. Keep rubbing, keep rubbing. Okay, now it's dry. This is when you start to rub faster. There you go. Look at this. See, that is when people go wrong, is that they stop. When it dry, they either stop or because it get a little difficult, so it will affect the way they rub it. They will start to, they still keep in the same speed. They're still going really light. That's why it doesn't turn shiny. When it dry, you have to fight again that you have to keep rubbing. If it's difficult to rub, you just increase your pressure. And I have a little dot right here because when I apply gel, it have a little piece of dirt. So now it get around that piece of dirt. So make sure that your gel is not contaminating with any dirt or any particle. So the surface needs to be smooth. So the chrome will be smoother when you apply. Now, what is this right here? And we using number 5. So number 5 is like a pink colors. And I'm gonna shake it off. Put it out here. Like a pink and the coral shade. Again, use your same finger. Start rubbing it. Lightly, lightly. When it's wet, you start rubbing it lightly. Now, start to getting dry. You keep rubbing it. Keep rubbing. If it's difficult, you just increase the pressure. There you go. There you go. Nice and shiny. So this is a pink one. See, this is purple, this is pink. Put this down here. Close the colors. Now I am going to choose number 6. Let's shake it off. Number 6 is like a chameleon colors. You apply on, it's like a green peacock colors. Green and purple. Go ahead and rub it. Rub it when it's wet and keep rubbing it. Just lightly. Just to distribute it all over, left, right, top, bottom. When it gets dry, this is when you start to aggressively rub it. Keep rubbing it. Make sure that you don't stay in one place. Top, bottom, left, right, look at that. So it's like a peacock green. So that is how you use liquid chrome. Thank you for watching, and make sure that you check us out on YouTube at Tino, and everything that we use today is available on www.tinovo.shop. And until next time, bye-bye.